Hello. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Owi Mike. If you're new to this channel, this is DIY Hub TV with Owi Mike, where I share legitimate and fun ways to making money online. I also share recipes and I share crafts. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if this video gives you any form of value, and also subscribe to this channel. Your subscription will encourage me to bring more and more value adding and money making content like this your way, and it will also help YouTube to suggest these videos to other people that are looking for things like this. Also, tap on that notification bell so that whenever I bring money making and valuable content like this your way, you will be notified by YouTube. Thank you. Let's dive into what we have for today.
Good day. Welcome to eDesign and Craft Tutorials. Today I will show you how to make a roll neck pillow. So what you need for this is your lining. You need a lining, you need your fabric, and then you need Dacron, either Dacron or your pieces of foam. So the first thing you do is, okay, I measured my material about 20 inches length, and the width is 8.5 inches. The width is on fold. That's two materials. I'm folding it together. It's on fold. The width is on fold. There are two of them. It's folded. So the width is 8.5 inches on fold, while my length is 20 inches. First thing you do is to sew down the length of the material. I've already sewn it to make the work faster. So after sewing, you have something like this. A bag with the two ends open. That's what we will have. After that, you measure round the opening. Measure round the opening. Measure round. Measure round. What I have here is 16 inches. That means I sewed out half inches. Now I'm going to cut a material that I'll use to close these two openings. Since my opening is 16 inches, I'm going to divide the 16 inches by 4. The answer is 4 inches. Then I'll subtract 1.5 inches from the 4 inches. I'll be left with 2.5 inches. So to get that 2.5 inches, I get this fabric, I fold it. I want to get my 2.5 inches. So what I do is, I folded it as though I want to cut a peplock. And then I start measuring 2.5 inches round. 2.5 inches round and round. Then I connect the point. Okay. Then I'll connect the point and cut out. Whatever I cut out is what I will use to, this is what I have. I'll now use this to close the opening here. I already cut one, so I'm cutting the second one to make it 2. 1 for this side one for this side. So I'm going to sew up and cover up the openings, then I'll come back to show you what next to do.
Hey guys, thank you so much for staying on this video till now. I am super appreciative. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it valuable. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I bring money making and value adding content like this your way, YouTube will notify you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Your subscription will encourage me to bring more and more of this kind of content your way. Thank you so much.
Welcome back. So I finished joining the material to cover the openings. I made a small hole along this length. That's where I'll turn from. Along this length, I made a small hole at the center. That's where I'll turn from. Okay. So I finished turning. The next thing I'll do now is I'll fill it with my foam. At this point, if you have your Dacron, you can use your Dacron to fill it. But I'm using these pieces of foams. So I'll fill it and then we'll continue. So I'll finish filling it and then I'll come back to show you what we have. Welcome back. So I finished filling the material, my pillow, with the foam. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So to make the cover now, we need to make a cover. I cut a fabric. I cut my material. The length of my material is 37 inches. It has to be longer and wider than what you cut to form this body of the roll neck pillow. So the width is 20 inches while the length is 38 inches. You fold the sides, or if you want you can weave it with using industrial weaving. So after folding the ends, what I do next is I place my pillow and I wrap. I place my pillow and I wrap. I wrap and I tie. It's very simple to make. And I tie. So my roll neck pillow is ready. You can make this, you can do anything you like here. You can make this shorter, you can make it longer, as you like. So our roll neck pillow is ready. It's very comfortable. And the foam inside is very durable to last long. So that's the end. Thanks for watching. Remember, this is eDesign and Craft Tutorials. Thanks.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. We really appreciate you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel to encourage me bring more and more value adding and money making content like this your way. Also tap on that notification button so that whenever I bring content like this, you'll be notified by YouTube. Thank you. Bye.